Hey, Paul here from Caliber. Today I want to talk a little bit about the LowPro Grip Glide. This is a product we came out with a couple of years ago, and what this does is it combines both traction and glide options for your snowmobile and ATV. Now this was first introduced to address some of the issues of people slipping and falling and not being able to get up a tilt trailer. You've got your glides down, it's slippery, your tires do not want to track when you've got some mud on them. So we came out with the LowPro Grip Glide, and what it does is your carbides will actually ride inside these channels. When you're using ATVs, tires grip. This has also been a really good product for doors on enclosed trailers. That way when you're walking out of your trailer, you're not slipping and falling. Again, a great product, a lot of different applications, lifetime warranty. Thanks for choosing Caliber.
Get it right. No more math, confusion, or misorders. Use your online configurator found at caliberproductsinc.com to easily configure your trailer. Notice you get an instant visual now of how your trailer will look after it has been outfitted. In the background, the program is doing the math based on your trailer length, product size, and packaging to ensure you get the right amount of product the first time. Click the Print Preview, then the Print tab. Now that you have all your product numbers and quantities, simply use your list to order your product from virtually any motorsport dealership nationwide or any of our many trusted online motorsport retailers. Be sure to like us on Facebook to stay connected with our new products, giveaways, and top riders.